Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albemarle, Troy, Bacon Lake, Tyler, Baden, Morrow Mountain State Park, Lake Tillery, and Finger. This includes the following flood-prone locations: Town Creek between Main Street and Snuggs Road, Quimby Mall and Delco Plaza, Memory Creek at Main Street, Town Creek at Bethany Road, Little Long Creek at Old Charlotte Road, Long Creek at Kingsley Drive, Long Creek at West, Main St., Melcher Branch at Ridge St., Coldy Branch at Corbin St., and Big Bear Creek at Old Mill Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Well, it's Raleigh this time.
Flood advisory in effect until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What minor flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of central North Carolina,
it was on
including
Channel
the following
2.
counties: Montgomery and Stanley.
That's why it was on
When?
KH.
Until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and
I don't know what to do about you, man.
Additional details